At the very starting of the video, I want to tell you one important point. The pronunciation of this word is a little bit tricky one, so listen carefully. And while pronouncing the word, you gotta stress on the middle syllable, and a tricky part of the pronunciation is the first syllable. You shouldn't start the pronunciation with man sound. It's not man. It's a little bit ma. It's not me, okay? So, new, bar. And you know, in American accent, most of the time, the P turns into B sound. So in this word, this P turns into B sound. So it's pronounced as bar, not bar, okay? So the full pronunciation would be maneuver. That's it. Hope you get the correct pronunciation of this word. And if you found the video a little bit helpful in improving your pronunciation, then hit a like. And if you want more this kind of pronunciation breakdown videos, then subscribe to the channel right now. So I'll see you soon in the next video with another helpful pronunciation breakdown. Till then, thank you. Bye-bye.